Epicor ERP Enterprise Resource Planning is a business management software designed to help companies manage their core business processes such as production, inventory management, accounting, purchasing, sales, and supply chain management. Epicor ERP offers a wide range of modules for managing different aspects of business, like production management, inventory and purchasing management, supply chain management, financial management, sales and customer relationship management, CRM, project management, maintenance and services, business intelligence and reporting, mobile and cloud applications, and product management. Epicor's modules are flexible and can be tailored to the specific needs of various industries, allowing businesses to scale and optimize their operations efficiently. There is no fixed price for Epicor. It all depends on the customer's needs, modules, number of licenses, as well as customizations, services, and more. For an accurate estimate, visit our pricing page and fill in the form for a free quote. Yes, Epicor ERP is designed to be highly customizable to meet the specific needs of different businesses. This flexibility allows companies to configure the system to suit their business processes. Epicor is designed to be flexible and adaptable, offering robust customization options across different areas of the software. Whether you need to change workflows, modify reporting, or integrate with third-party systems, Epicor provides the tools and support to make the ERP system work for your specific needs. If you need specific modifications, our team can help you implement them. Epicor can be deployed in several ways depending on the organization's size, IT infrastructure, and business needs. On-premise deployment, installed locally on your company's own servers, managed by your internal IT team. Offers full control over data, customization, and infrastructure. Requires your team to handle maintenance, backups, updates, and security. Cloud deployment, hosted on Epicor's cloud servers and accessed via the internet. Reduces the need for internal infrastructure. Epicor handles updates, security, backups, and scalability. Ideal for business seeking flexibility, lower upfront costs, and faster implementation. Hybrid deployment combines both cloud and on-premise environments, useful for companies that want to keep certain data or systems in-house while leveraging cloud capabilities for others. The choice of deployment mode depends on needs, budget, and priorities in terms of security, scalability, and infrastructure management. Yes, Epicor offers a wide range of training and support tailored to each company's needs, whether for basic use, advanced requests, or customization requirements. These services are designed to ensure successful implementation, optimal operation, and effective management of ERP solutions over the long term. This enables companies to maximize the use of their Epicor ERP and ensure an optimal experience. Yes, Epicor provides regular updates and new offerings to ensure that its ERP solution remains relevant and continues to meet evolving business needs. Updates can be regular annual or biannual updates, continuous updates in the cloud, cloud deployments, and more. Epicor strives to stay at the forefront of technology by constantly adding new offerings and innovations to its ERP, such as integration with emerging technologies, industry-specific offerings, extensions and integrations with other tools, scalable cloud and SaaS solutions. Epicor encourages engagement with its user community to gather feedback and suggestions. This helps identify areas for improvement and requested features, which Epicor can integrate into future updates.